Hey guys, how you doing? Going to try and make this video quick. I'm using a new Galaxy Tab A7 that I bought. Pretty nice. Everything's good. It's got a real nice screen. But I was just shooting a video and I noticed that it doesn't give you much time to do it. So I'm going to try and make this video quick. Anyway, before you is the MD Sports Barrington Coventry skee ball game. There was a video on YouTube I saw because I was looking for a skee ball game. The ones that you can get from the old arcade days, like when I used to go down to Jersey Shore and play, they're like 13 feet long. They weigh a lot. They do weigh a lot. And they're going for like $6-7 grand. So you'd have the problem of trying to get in your house and then all that weight and where to put it. This is 10 feet. And it's taking up a good portion here. And if you guys watch any of my videos, you know I did a lot of my train videos here. And the train videos were right down there on the rug. So this thing's encompassing that whole area of where I shot my train videos. Got a lot of stuff here. But we're going to shoot this video on this thing here. So anyway, it's a real nice game. Saw a video on YouTube. Richard Scroggins had this game, and he does a good job of portraying how it works and everything like that. But I'm going to show you. Anyway, he talked about the balls. The balls are like racket balls. Like he said, they're about 2.5 inches diameter. He talked about getting 2.5-inch diameter wood balls, which I found on Amazon. They were $45 for a set of 10 of them. Now, one thing I did while I was playing this game, I did notice that the game 9 balls. So if you turn the game on and roll the balls, 9 balls and you're done. Which is like the original arcade game. It would give you 9 balls, and when you were done the 9 balls, the game was over. Whatever the score was, the score was. This thing operates differently. So how it operates here. Just turn it on. Screen lights up. And it says that. And then you come down here, and you can select.
Player 2.
Now it's in 2-player mode. So now I'm going to.
Player 1.
It's back to 1-player mode. And then you come down here, and you hit the start button.
Let's play.
And then you start rolling the balls. Now, there's another thing I wanted to show you. I'm going to put this down, so this is going to get. Put this down here. So I'm going to show you the game here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the instruction manual because Richard Scroggins explained something about the game, and I want to make it a little more clear because I wasn't really sure about it until I actually saw it. So I want to do this before my time runs out on this this A7 because it's not letting me video. Okay, so right here. I'm going to show you right here. So right here in the instruction manual, if you do buy this thing in the instruction manual, right here. Let me see where the parts are. Okay, they're calling them part 23 right here, these parts. These parts are small. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to see if I can find it. I know I had it. Now I can't find it to show you, right? And I'm trying to find it. Here it is, right here. I'm sorry. Pardon the bouncing around and stuff. Anyway, here it is. Part number 23. So what I did is, like, as what Richard Scroggins said, is I got a piece of 1x3. 1x3, which is 1 inch thick, 3/4 of an inch thick, and 3 inches wide, 2.5 inches wide. So I got that, and I cut it to the same exact length as this, and I actually sanded down the edges a little bit because he's right. If you look at this here, this is the actual piece that goes behind the play field where the scores or the holes are that rolls into. The ball falls down onto here and then rolls down into the chute. You can see the whole thing how the chute lines up with it here. But anyway, the balls go through the hole, fall into here, and then they roll into that chute. Well, these pieces aren't, how should I say, high enough. What'll happen is the ball bounce out and it'll end up on the floor. So by using a 1x3 in here, it becomes high enough of a fence and a wall so the ball hit there and then roll into the chute. And I actually had a couple of the balls roll out on me still, even though the 1x3s are on there. But the 1x3s will definitely cure it. And once it starts rolling, it'll be fine. So that's one thing I wanted to show you. Other than that, the game works fine. Maybe I'll do another video of how it plays because I don't have anything holding it right now. I'm holding this tablet. It's a 10-inch tablet, so I got both my hands on it and one hand pointing around stuff. But the 2.5-inch balls work great with it. It rolls good. Again, it's the Barrington Coventry skee ball game, and that is available from Target. I think it's on Amazon, too, for the same price. So you can get it either on Amazon or you can get it on Target, and it's actually pretty neat. I enjoy it. I grew up down at the Jersey Shore every summer, so I used to go. My dad would take me down there, mom would take me down there, and I grew up down there, so we'd go to the boardwalk almost every night and play. And this was one of my most favorite games, which is why I was really wanting to get a real one. But they're super expensive, super big, super heavy, and it's even though my cellar is kind of big, it goes back pretty good. I got a gym back there for the kids to use. This room back here, I'm converting into that pool table there. This is like a convertible pool table. It's got a pool table, air hockey thing. I'm putting it back there. I got plenty of room down there, but I got a lot of stuff that I want to put down here. I got to put up another giant screen here for a projector. This is an old screen. It's ripped and stuff, so I got to put a new one. There's the frame right there. It's a bigger frame, a bigger screen. And then, as you can see, I don't know if you guys saw it, there's a couple projectors there. So this is kind of like a movie/room, but it's been kind of messy because it's been a lot of catch-all down here because we really don't use it except during the holidays. So I wanted to get a little more fun, especially with the virus being around and everybody being home. But during the holidays, we have family over, and I just wanted to make it fun for everybody. And this is one of my favorite games from my childhood, and I just was dying to get it, so I got it. So that's pretty much my review. If you guys have any questions, post them in there. Let me know what's going on. I'll try and post another video of this thing working. It's fun. It really is fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. And again, like I said, if you have any questions, post them in the comment section, and I'll get back to it. $750 with tax, free shipping. It was $799, so it's not a bad game at all. It's not super heavy. It's 265 pounds, I think, when the box arrived, but it goes together pretty quick. Again, it did take around 6 hours because there's a lot of parts, a lot of pieces to put together, but it goes together fairly easy, and everything's pretty well planned out and drawn out, and the instruction manual is pretty clear, so everything's great. Thanks again, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, questions, anything, comment. Thank you very much. Take care.